Today I'm fixing too big neckline on my t-shirt. It keeps on falling off my shoulders and exposing my bra straps. I find it super annoying. Therefore, I'm going to take in the excess fabric to make this wide neckline smaller. Pin the extra fabric with a pin on the right side of the fabric. Here are my sewing supplies: sewing machine with sewing thread, measuring tape, straight pins, fabric marking pen, scissors, ruler, and seam ripper if needed, of course. Also, I'm gonna use iron and wool ironing mat. I start by laying the top on flat surface with the marking pen, the fabric marking pen. I mark the excess fabric on the wrong side of the fabric. I turn the garment wrong side out, then measure the excess fabric. This is the amount I will be taking in, and I will create darts at the shoulder point. So one dart on each shoulder point. And I start by figuring out where is the shoulder point. Next, I mark the shoulder point on the neckband. And I do that by connecting the points from the center back to front, center front, and then from the shoulder to shoulder. And that's how I find the shoulder point, because this t-shirt does not have the usual shoulder seam. It's more of the baseball style tee. So therefore, this is the process to find out the middle, like the shoulder point. Okay, so far so good. Now from this point, I'm going to mark equal amount to the right and to the left. And this is the amount, the full amount divided into 4 equal parts. Okay, so I mark the amount on the neckband, on the edge of the neckband. So each dart should start at the neckline edge and taper out about 3 inches towards the shoulder seam. So once I have that, I'm going to draw a line. This is my sewing line. Okay, that looks really good. Now fold the fabric along the dart line so the chalk marks meet. Pin along the dart line, keeping the fold even and smooth. When pinning the darts, make sure you're pinning on the wrong side of the fabric and the right sides of the fabric are touching each other. Next, starting at the neckline edge, sew along the marked line towards the point of the dart. And remember to backstitch at the beginning of the stitch and at the end. And also remember, as you reach the end, taper the stitch gradually to avoid any pucker. Okay, that looks pretty good so far. Press the dart flat towards the back, like the center back. This helps the neckline sit neatly and reduce the bulk. When you're done, when you're finished, and turn the shirt right side out, try it on, see how it is, if you like it. Once you're done stitching the darts, secure the darts by top stitching widest point of the neckline, stitch it back and forth just to secure the darts and keep them in place. Okay, that looks pretty good. Press the neckline flat, try it on, and let's see how does that look. Okay, that looks amazing, awesome. Pretty good job, I love it. It looks much smaller. It's such a small alteration, but it did really big difference. It looks nice, it looks comfortable, looks awesome, I gotta say. So if you like this video, please make sure to like it, share it, subscribe to my channel, and come back to my channel for more content, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.